Alright guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be talking about mouse click events. In the previous tutorial we talked about how to bind a function to widgets and something like that, and we actually created this button whereby if we do click it, it just printed out here there. So now we are just going to be implementing the mouse click event whereby if we right click it brings a whole bunch of stuff, and if we actually left click is gonna bring something else. So let's get to the video. So first things first, we want to create a function for this. So I'm just gonna call this right click, and with this I'm just gonna pass in event since we wanted to handle this, and I'm just gonna print out right clicked. So then we just have to come down here. First things first, we want to delete this. So that it won't affect the code, and maybe comment this out. I want to comment this out, and then we just come down here and actually bind our button. We don't need to create anything else. We already created a button in the previous video, so we just have to bind this. We are just gonna bind it with our button. So I'm just gonna create add the button. So the right click button is the third. So if you are counting from the left is the first, the middle, which is the scroll, and the right is the third. So we are just gonna put in button 3, and we are gonna close this, and over here we're just gonna separate it with a command, and the event that we want to carry out, which is the right click, you can just copy this and paste it here. So if we were to run this, so if I right click on this, is bringing up the right button click. So I can actually add more function. Just copy this and paste this here, and just change this to something like a left, obviously, and this also is gonna be left, and I'm gonna create the binding for that. So this is just gonna be button dot bind, and I'm just gonna call in the button 1, since the left is the first button, right? Button 1. I'm gonna close this. I'm just gonna call on the left click event. I'm gonna delete this, and if we were to run this, so whenever I click this, so the right is not actually working. So that's just because I used 2 instead of 1. So if I click this, and I can see that left and right. So you can also add for the scroll, that is the middle button. You can just add maybe another function if you want, and just call this middle, and you can come here and change this also, and also copy this out and just paste it. You just have to change this to button, so this should be middle. So if we were to run this, right, you can actually see. So that's how you use the mouse click event. So thank you for watching. As always, do not forget to subscribe, and also if you have any questions you can actually leave them in the comment section below. I will do so to answer. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.